Since we are at the end phase of a macroeconomic tightening, with interest rates at 5.5% and inflation rates coming back down to 2%, people are buying to the base scenario of a soft landing. And with this in mind, experts have made bold predictions on the price of BTC. So let's delve into what asset managers and investors are hoping for the future price of Bitcoin. Hi, my name is 𝗍𝗶𝗰𝗵 and I'm your host at the Crypto Forecast. Let's see what institutional investors are projecting for Bitcoin in the long run. Michael Saylor, the CEO of biggest institutional holder of BTC, anticipates Bitcoin price to reach $350,000. He points out the recent authorization of Bitcoin ETFs as a significant factor in attracting fresh interest into cryptocurrencies. This opens the door for a broader spectrum of investors to participate in Bitcoin, potentially diversifying and expanding the market. Right now, MicroStrategy holds more than 200,000 Bitcoins, and they have recently acquired 12,000 Bitcoins in the average price of $68K, which shows their great confidence in the future of assets. 𝗂𝗵𝗿, the CEO of 𝗓𝗏𝗏, recently predicted that on the base scenario, Bitcoin could reach $650,000 by 2030, or going higher to $1.5 million on the more optimistic conditions. 𝗓𝗏𝗏 is one of the 11 Bitcoin custodial companies with $3 million in AUM, which has about 5% of the total ETF's market share. On the other hand, Michael Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, believes Bitcoin price could surge up to $150,000 after halving in April 2024. He emphasizes the shift in economic paradigm driven by younger generations who favor investing in digital assets. He also mentions the critical role of institutional adoption on the Bitcoin price. Although BlackRock CEO Larry Fink hasn't specified a future price for Bitcoin, he shows his bullish sentiment by expressing important facts about it. He sees Bitcoin as a digital gold that can be used as a hedge against inflation. He says that the new Bitcoin ETFs were legitimizing cryptocurrencies as a new asset class. He also believes that we are moving towards tokenization of assets, which could change the world of investing forever. A note to keep in mind is the success of BlackRock's ETF, which has witnessed unprecedented inflows, becoming the fastest growing ETF in history. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Also ring the bell to be notified every time I upload just for you. Now that we know what these influential people vision for the future of Bitcoin, it's time to talk about institutional forecasts. Panther Capital conducted analysis of the shift in stock-to-flow ratio. The findings revealed that the upcoming halving could potentially increase the price to $148,000 by July of 2025, while cutting the miners' revenue by 3.215. Standard Chartered prediction on the BTC price is $100,000 by the end of this year. Some of the factors as potential bullish catalysts cited by this bank are the importance of a digital asset in this modern world, the institutional adoption with Bitcoin ETFs, and halving in April 2024. Messari expect the Bitcoin price to reach $600,000 in the long run. They expected Bitcoin to outperform any other asset in 2024, which it has done in a spectacular way. Messari also stated that although the crypto market is dominated by BTC, ETH, and stablecoins, which together represent 75% of the whole market, it is possible for less well-known projects to become more popular and significant in 2024. Matrix points out historical Bitcoin halvings. 2012, 186% rise in the price. 2016, 126% rise in the price, and 2020, more than 290% increase in the price of Bitcoin. They say that as miners tend to hoard Bitcoin before each halving, price increase could be more than 200%, which could result in Bitcoin's value escalating to an estimated price of $125,000. CoinShares analysts think following the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs, the price might rally up to $141,000 within 12 months based on the funds to flow model. The foundation of the model rests on the cautious assumption as indicated by Galaxy's report, suggesting that spot Bitcoin ETFs could constitute a market valued at $14.4 trillion. If merely 10% of investors holding these funds allocate 1% of their wealth, the result capital influx would exceed $14.4 billion in just 1 year. Since the days of high inflation, legal challenges, and disbelief in digital assets are over, predictions on the Bitcoin price looks much brighter than what it was in 2022 and 2023. So if you haven't already invested in Bitcoin, buying it just before the halving might be the best decision you make in